Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove private browsing on the iPhone. So if you have private browsing enabled in Safari, this is what it looks like. The main page, it says private browsing on top, and this is what the tabs look like. And if you want to remove that, if you want to exit out of the private browsing, what you can do is you can press on the three dots on the bottom right, then press all tabs, and down here just select anything other than private. So you might have a few pages right here, so just select the one that is in private, for example the start page, and now it won't be private, so the history will work and everything else than that will also be working normally. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.